And today we're going to be looking at the Skatepark kit. You get 8 pieces of a skate park that you can assemble in many different configurations, and it's going to help with hand-eye coordination and critical thinking as well. So even though it's skate themed and fun, it can also be educational. Let's take a closer look at it. Carter, tell us about the skateboards.
The skateboards have a grip-like or sandpaper-like grip on the board, and they have a bunch of different customization features on it. This one looks like a Halloween frog-ish thing. This one is a skull. And then this one is a little monster thing on a bicycle.
So you do get 3 different skateboards. How cool is that? And like I said, you do get 8 separate sections, and you can take this apart and rearrange it in any way that you want to. It doesn't have to be any particular way. It's up to you to decide how you want to customize and build your own skate park. And in the instruction manual, they do offer you some ideas that you can copy if you choose to. And it's also full color and in gloss, so you can see everything quite well. But the way that you put it together is you can see that they have these grooves right here and all the pieces, and then you just have these little black boxes, and you just slide these into the skate park grooves, and then you can connect it to the other sections to create many different looks, just like this.
Easy.
And then with the grip tape on the boards, you can simulate skating. You can do all kind of tricks. You can try to flip the boards. Carter's a fingerboard guy. Let's see what you got. So you can do grinds, you can ride rails, you can do the stairs. It's got these super cool graphics on some of the pieces, like this one, and this one, and the main deck. And it just breaks down into all these separate pieces. So when you're done, it's easy to store and stow away as well. And like I said, you can configure these in any shape or form that you like. So overall, a very fun toy. It's also considered educational in the fact that it helps you develop critical thinking and finger and hand-eye coordination. And if you have that little skater in your house that just can't get out on the rainy day, this is always a good option too. And the fingerboarding is actually quite a big sport if you look into it a little bit. So very cool. We hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.